Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for us all. So welcome to this segment once again, which is called Cooking Made Simple. So this is where I show you some of the very simple recipes that I have learned. I have watched other people cooking. So this is a mum recipe, as we call it. She used to use a paratha to make this. It's really simple. So when I went to university, of course I can't make parathas, so I discovered tortillo. So these are the ingredients. We have tortillo, we have some tomatoes, we have some eggs. This is the herbs. You could use whatever herb that you like, parsley or whatever. I am using thyme. We have spinach over there, we have cheese, and you can use either butter or oil. We're going to use butter. So the first thing to do is to moisten these, and that makes them cook better as well. So I've got here a plate of water, so we're going to moisten those first. Yeah, so put it over on both sides. Leave it there for about 10 seconds and transfer that to another plate. So we've moistened the tortilla. We need some butter and they need cooking for a short while on both sides. So let's melt the butter. So the butter's melted nicely there, viewers. We need to butter or cook the tortillas on both sides. Okay, so leave that there for about 30 seconds, and then 30 seconds for the other side as well, of course. So as you can see, it's nice and brown on one side. We're cooking the other side, and you do that to both of them. So once again, this is how the tortilla looks, nice and brown on both sides. We're ready for our next stage now. Okay, we need to prepare the eggs and crack the eggs and whisk. So we're only going to use salt and pepper. So we also like this Himalayan salt, and there we have our pepper. So let's prepare this mixture. So there goes our pepper. We're ready for the egg to be cooked now. So you may need more butter, so do that first. So we're going to cook that for about a minute or so, then we'll go on to the next stage. That's cooked nicely, or it's beginning to cook nicely. We're ready for the next stage, which is the leaves, as I call them. Firstly, the spinach. So it's best to use baby spinach. Just going to spread that all around. So the spinach and the herb of your choice, I use thyme, as I say, goes on. So we'll let that cook for about 30 seconds. The next thing to do is to apply a little bit of cheese and leave that just for about 10 seconds. So that's beginning to melt, and what we do now is place the tortilla onto there. Okay, so the tortilla has gone on. So press that down a bit so that it sticks to it. We're going to flip that over now, viewers. Okay, so as you can see, it's cooked really nicely on this side. So we'll let it cook for about 20 seconds and then place the other the tortilla on top. We're ready for our next stage now, viewers, which was the tomatoes. We put those over 1/2 of the tortilla. So the tomatoes have been placed on. We just need to add a little bit of cheese, or we like to add a little bit of cheese. Okay, so we'll let that melt for a few seconds. So once that melted a little bit, so we need to turn that over. Okay, so we have overcooked the one side, but I'm sure it'll taste fine. So that is our final product now, viewers. We're going to transfer that to the plate and have a taste. And that is nicely cooked. That is dinner. And I'm going to have a half each, the two of us that are here. So I'm going to have a little taste and tell you how it is. Okay, so I've had a taste of the tortilla fill, and I assure you it tastes really, really lovely. So once again, thank you for watching. Please keep watching, watch fully. Until the next time, I say look after yourselves, look after others, अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआ में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.